I'm gonna get fucking stuck here in the fucking ocean.
Get back to school, boy! Shut up, big boy! G'day, love, how are ya? No good. I was. No. Yeah, bro, yeah.
Got a fucking problem, baby on me like a toddler. Keep my phone on silent, vibrate, make that ass shake like a violin. College girls, homie, why you press like darling? I've been everywhere you niggas ain't, can't go where your bitch go. Got her up late, make my dick plank. She gon' drink it straight, rotate, let her.
Drink this here is bad. Wait till you see it in a minute. Look at that. Might go put my togs on and go for a nice fucking summer swim. This grumpy old cunt. Fuck, looks like they're gonna get stuck up here. Holy motherfucker. How you left? Oh, gonna make sure I stop and get away. This shit's fucking nuts. Oh, I'm gonna get fucking stuck with 30 from this road. This shit is fucking nuts. Flooded as. You guys alright there? Let's get a pump out! Stop pumping it away! Mike, look at the river!
Get back to school!
Have a nice walk there, little girls! Yeah, bro, you're fine.
I'm gonna fucking drive into the Atlantic Ocean!
Oh my
god!
Boy, look at them! Fucking hell! They're really going China.
I'm gonna get fucking stuck here in the fucking ocean!
Get back to school, boy! Shut up, big boy! G'day, love, how are ya? No good. I was. No. Yeah, bro, yeah. Niagara Falls. You know now, but if you didn't, then you probably would have got it. I remember breaking even, now we at it, making profit. I ain't trying to take it wrong, but baby, give me options like I'm Geno Smith. I tell them to do it. I ball out like the San Diego Padres. TGIF, thank God it's Friday. Smoky Friday, so high my fly away. Competition small, so I live big like Tom Hanks. Big Bang, 22. Nigga don't believe in King. Tried everything from